Hey, this is Amy, and in this video what we're going to talk about is how to link the library holdings with your Google Scholar account. Basically what you want to do is be logged into Google. You can see up there in the right-hand corner I'm already logged in. It shows my first initial, so I know that I'm logged in. And you just want to go to scholar.google.com, which is where I'm at, and that's scholar.google.com is the URL of where you want to go. But anyway, once you are there and logged into your Google account, you click the little menu key in the top left-hand corner and go down to settings. We're going to click on that. And then under settings, we click library links. So right now I don't have any library links set up. However, the first one I'm going to add is called Open WorldCat. And what that is basically any, sorry, got to go back. Anything that is available for free through WorldCat, which is a international library sharing organization. Anything available for free through that will also show up in your Google Scholar search. So that's on top of anything freely available through just Google on the internet. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in Dalton State. Let's go ahead and search Dalton State College, viewed at Dalton. So we are good. We have that added. Now I'm adding Dalton State because that's my library that I have access to. If you were at a different school, you could add their holdings and everything. It may show up full text in your Google Scholar search results, but typically if you are off campus, you're going to have to log in to actually access the information. So that way everybody can't just add like Harvard or whatever and get all their stuff for free. But yeah, so let's say I am looking up information about birds. So we are going to do a search, and what you're going to see is typically over here on the right, more full text options showing up. Something like this that doesn't show up full text in my Google Scholar search, you could search for that just by using regular Google to search for the name of the article, and it might be available on there. If it is not, you could also look for using the library, your library's interlibrary loan to request a copy of it. So that is Google Scholar and getting it linked to your library account.